Hey everyone, I'm David Wyckoff, a general aviation private pilot located in the southeast corner of Kansas. Come hang out with me on my adventures as I explore the Midwest in my Kitfox Model 3.
All right, well, Amber and I don't have any real plans today other than to just go flying. Tom's out here flying around in his Taylor craft. Let's go meet up with him.
I'm excited to see another airplane.
Yeah, it's fun to do a little formation flying.
Who's to say that I can't take what's left behind? What's yours could soon be mine. On the level with you. If you think that you can handle this, then you better know you're messing with savages, savages, we're savages. If you think that you can handle this, you gotta know you've been messing with savages, savages, we're savages. Yeah!
Let's drop down in here and say hi to my buddy, check out these airplanes.
Broken bones, broken windows in our broken homes. Can't you see? You should never come too close.
There he is. What you doing, buddy? How you doing, big dog?
Good to see you, man.
How you doing?
David, how are you?
Good to see
By the
you.
way, we ate all the biscuits, huh?
Dang it.
Screwed.
Hey, Grant flew up from Tulsa,
Hey,
so that's good.
I didn't come in for the fame or the glory.
good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, thank you
Be
so
safe
much.
going home.
Be safe.
I'll holler at you next week.
Clear.
Well, we're not gonna eat breakfast here. All right, you ready to do some more flying?
I'm ready.
You love flying, don't you?
I love flying.
I didn't come in for the fame or the glory. I wasn't in it for the gold. Don't wanna wait.
All right, let's go cruise over Big Hill Lake.
To find my body lying cold.
Have you been to Big Hill Lake before?
Yeah.
Feel the walls closing
Pretty leg.
I see the wolves now, they're circling around me, but I am hungrier than them. Yeah, I'm hungrier than them. It's the end of the line. I don't get another try. This is live or die.
See where the nose is pointed right here?
Yes.
That used to be an airport. You see it has an X on it right here? On the,
Looks like a runway right there.
yeah, it used to be the Edna Airstrip. When I was a little kid, my granddad would bring his crop dusters up here in the truck and where he mixes the chemicals, and he would work off of here, you know, so he didn't have to fly back and forth to Miami all the time.
Yeah.
But I remember when I was a little kid, him working off of the Edna Airstrip. It's all overgrown, the pavements. That grass would be good to land in though, wouldn't it? Right there in the middle.
That's so cool. I got some hay bales sitting on it now. Did you get to ride in a crop duster with your grandpa?
Oh yeah, he had a one-seater, and it was when I was like, you know, second, third, fourth, fifth grade, but I was sitting in a little map holder right here next to him, and I would squeeze in there and hold on to this rail, and I just have a motorcycle helmet on. And every landing, every single landing, we could have bounced 3 times down the runway, but every landing, he would look at me and he'd say, "We greased it." and I would just giggle and laugh, but every single landing he'd say, "We greased it." Oh yeah, you're a natural pilot. Go to the left a little bit.
Left a little bit.
Yeah, put the nose down.
Down a little.
And see, here's our altitude right here.
Uh-huh. Oh, down a little.
Yeah, go down. But see, the airspeed, you got to be careful for the airspeed. You don't want to get too slow. So we're headed straight towards Chetopa right now. We'll go check out the river. So the river's high. I bet there's going to be a bunch of people on the river right there at the dam catfishing. My buddy Charlie Dean and his son Logan Dean, who I'm good friends with, they come down here all the time, get to go catfishing. Charlie, he's about as country as it gets. He's always the life of the party, and then Logan knows his hunting and fishing too. Logan's always down here catching big old blue cats and flathead catfish. They were down here a couple weeks ago. They caught some 30-pounders.
Wow.
Yeah. I bet they're down here again today.
Walking down the road, I'm trying to post up, find a place to sit. Watch the people as they go by, some make me laugh, some make me cry, must admit. If it weren't for all the others talking about the way that things should be, I think we'd be much better off, and some might even say we'd be more free.
Crop dusters do, and you got to watch out for the power lines. But they get down, you have to get like 5 feet above the crop, okay?
Yeah.
And then like they'll turn on their sprayers right here, and they dive down like this, and then they're spraying the field like this.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And then so and then when they get to the end of the field, they freaking power it up, cruise on out.
And promises ain't everything, cause if they were, people wouldn't lie. Or is it us that ruin everything? It's killing me inside.
After our last video, my buddy Brian Screws that lives in Georgia, you know, we've watched his videos. He sent me a text. He's like, "Hey, what size t-shirt does Amber wear?" He has some real cool t-shirts, so he might be sending you a t-shirt.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, Big Brutus Beth, let's see what you got.
They're saying goodbyes, telling
goes down, I want to land there and swim.
Land on Brian's bar.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll bring a fishing pole.
I'll bring my tannin oil.
There you go. We're going to go check out Big Brutus. How's that sound? Have you ever been to Big Brutus Fest?
I haven't been to the festival, but
I haven't either.
Big Brutus is the centerpiece of a mining museum in southeast Kansas where it was used in coal strip mining operations. The shovel was designed to dig from 20 to 69 feet down to unearth relatively shallow coal seams, which would then be mined with smaller equipment later. Thing is massive, isn't it? Standing 16 stories tall and weighing 11 million pounds, Big Brutus was a marvel of its time. It represented the peak of mining technology during its era. These statistics alone are impressive, but they only tell part of the story. With a 150-foot boom and a dipper capacity of 90 cubic yards, that's enough to fill 3 railroad cars. All right, Brutus Fest. We've been there, we've done that. Now we're gonna go check on Charlie and Logan at the river, see if they're catching any catfish. What'd y'all get?
Oh, just a few.
Oh,
few from the nursery.
We've done cleaned the bunch.
Those
There's a few.
Blue cats?
Blue cat and a flathead.
Oh, yeller, some channel, and some blues.
Oh my
Show 'em
gosh,
that
what do you think of that?
Get that flathead, Logan. Get that yeller.
You ain't a bad fish.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
I don't make a fillet.
Fighting all these fish, I'm about done in. I need a cold beer. Got in that boulevard.
Got some boulevard weed in the shop bar. Let's go clean these bad boys. Have a fish fry. You guys have done this a time or two, haven't you? Look at all that fish we're getting.
Ready to fry.
Logan?
Yeah.
Thanks for the fish, big dog.
You bet, brother.
You're
Anytime.
a good man. Amber, fun day of flying. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.
To be free, chasing what it means to be free, chasing what it means to be free, yeah.
I think we're hung up together.
There's a rock, there's a ledge down there.
That fish I got's on.
You gotta get them up over.
Oh, is he really?
Unless you got my line.
I think your line's around a log. And it's around a log.
I think you're right.